Hello friends, welcome to this video lecture on basic Excel. So in this video I will be explaining one of the most important function of Excel, that is the large function. So before going into the actual application of this large function, what is the purpose of using this large function? So for example, there are 200 students in a class, and one particular lecturer conducted 10 tests, 10 class tests, and at the end of the semester he wants to finalize the marks, but he does not need all the 10 test marks. He needs only the 5 best marks of each student. If that is the case, we can make use of the large function of Excel. How to do that? Let's go. So here is one data set, a dummy data set again, of 200 students with some dummy registration number and 10 test marks. These are random numbers, not real numbers, real marks. Out of these 10 tests, let us extract best 5 test marks, so that the lecturer can submit the best 5 marks of the student. So let's go. So I have the marks here, and then I have headings like best 1, best 2, best 3, best 4 and best 5. So here let us put the large function is equal to large, type large, activate that, and you have to fill 2 important items. The first one is array and the next one is K. What is array? Where are the marks? Where are the marks? So these are the 10 best marks. So this is the array of one student. Only one student. So only one student's marks we need here, not all the students. So that is the array. So in my case it is from B2 to K2, and then put a comma, then K. K means the order. K is the order. So for example, here the best 1, best 2, best 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 will be the kth order. So here, since this is the best 1, here K will be 1. Enter. So the first best mark out of these 10 marks is 8. Again here is equal to large. Again array is same. B2 to this time K2, B2 to K2, comma, this time K is 2 because it is the second best number. Enter. Again there are 2 8, so one is here and one is here. These 2 are the first best 2 numbers. And then best 3, so is equal to large, activate array, and then comma K. This time it is 3. So it is 7. So best number is 7. Third best number is 7. So it goes on up to best 5. So instead of doing that in the different cells separately, what we can do is we can come back to the first cell, and then we can lock the columns, and we can just simply drag it. How to lock this? We have to put the dollar signs. So select the range or array and then put the dollar signs, because we need to lock the columns, only columns, not the rows, because even if I go to the last student, 200th student, columns are same, B to K, whereas rows will be changing, right? Different rows. So I have to lock the column only. So I have to put the dollar sign before the column name, okay, before the column name. So before the B column I put the dollar sign, as well as before the K column I put the dollar sign, so that I lock the column. Okay, so column locking is done. Now I will extend this by dragging to next columns, best 5 columns. Okay, it is showing same marks because the K order did not change. Okay, K order did not change. So here I have to make this as 2, this as 2, and then here I have to make it manually as 3, and last one I have to make it as 4 and then 5. Okay, so these are the best 5 marks of this particular student. Okay, now for remaining students I can simply drag it or double click it here. This double clicking will not work here because there is a blank column in between. So this data set and this data set is separated because of this blank column. If you fill this column with some text or number, and if you make this continuation table, then now you can double click and you can extend this till the last student. Okay, so you can cross verify for this particular student of 200 register number. First best mark is 10, yes, correct. Next best mark is 9, and then he is having 8 twice and then 7. So the results are correct. So this is how this is one of the uses of a large function to extract the best 5 or best n number of or best kth order of marks or anything. It can be used in colleges or it can be used in companies to extract the best performance of the employees as well. Okay, so that's all about large function in this video. Other functions of other applications of the large function I will explain in the subsequent videos. Thank you. Bye bye.